hit by hitting number 8, and I'm going to toggle the mode. And now we're in full auto mode. What you do here is you line your crosshair up to where you want to bond. There was a previous bond. Place the bond next to it, say right here. I can either hit this button here or the G button. And there's a bond right next to it. And one right next to that. Again, I can hit it there, and that locks the X. I can move it in a Y direction. X is locked. And from there I can hit either this button or the G button to make the bond. Release the lock. Lock in the X. Y is still available to move. Pushing Y. Hit the G button. Bond is made. Now by hitting the 0 button, I can do a manual bond. You've seen it, the tool went to search position, and you need to look into the microscope and use the Z lever on this side. Position it, looking in the microscope. It'll make bond 1 and go to search 2. And by pressing the lever with my left hand, I can manually bond the second bond. You can see on the screen, this is the bond that was formed manually. Now there's one more mode to show, and by going to more options again on the screen here, number 8, pressing 8, I can toggle a mode by hitting 8 again, and now we're in half auto mode. And I'm going to use the microscope for that mode. Now watching the bond head, what it's going to do is go to search 1 and stop. Well, actually, it did bond 1, and then it's up at loop height. Now I can reposition where I want to put bond 2. By holding the go button, it'll stop at search. The go button is a button on the manipulator arm. I'll demonstrate that again. Press and hold go, it stops at search. I could position tool head. When I release the go button, it makes bond 1 and goes up to loop height. Come down to search 2, I can reposition. When I release the go button, second bond was made. That's half auto mode. Now this is ball bonding. I'm going to change out the head, and we'll see how we can do wedge bonding with the same routine. Just an aluminum wedge wire, 1 mil wire. We'll do a bond and crosshair up. This is in full auto mode. Lock it in place. I can move back and forth, but not left and right. Hit the G button to make it on. Do another bond head right here. Lock. G button to make it on. That's full auto mode. Come over here to more options. I can change toggle of mode number 8 here again. Now we'll do a half auto mode. And there I'm going to change it to microscope by hitting 9. Alright, I'm in half auto mode again. I'm going to use the microscope. Press the go button to first search. Position the bonding tool. Make the first bond, it'll stop at loop height. Press the go button again. Second search. Position it. And the second bond is made. The other mode to run in would be manual bonding. Here I'll press 0 to select manual, and I'll use the Z lever. Stops at search 1. Position it by using the Z lever, bring it down to make the first bond. It automatically jumps up to the loop height, and I'll bring it down to make the second bond. And that's how you do manual bonding. Search 1, this is half auto mode. We're at search 1. When I release the go button, it'll make bond 1 and go to loop height. I can reposition ahead. Press the go button to search 2 and make the second bond. Again, search 1, bond, loop height, search 2, bond, and that's it. There's the 4 bonds that were just made in half auto mode shown on the screen.